going on, Ada Gang? This is Ada Ace here for HYDR, and we're going to do a quick video on how to connect your VESPR wallet to Discord using the CNFT.Tools so you can get your rolls and be able to drip in our reservoir and get those 12 and soon to be 14, maybe 15 tokens. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, we're going to go open up our VESPR wallet over here, and we're going to go down to the section right here to the icon here, and then we're going to press that, and it's going to bring us over to the URL, and then we're going to type in wallet.cnft.tools. It's going to give you the little face icon once you have it all typed in, so you know it is the right thing. It'll show you what you're looking for in just a second. See the little face icon there? You're going to hit that, then you're going to log on to the Discord. It's going to ask for your email and your password for your Discord. Go ahead and put that in. It's going to go over there. Always use two-factor authentication. Go ahead and get your two-factor code. Confirm that as well. Then it's going to bring you over. You're going to want to scroll down on the screen, press the authorize button. Then you're going to come in here. This is how you actually connect your wallet. You have connected your Discord. Now you're going to press the connect button and add wallet function right over here. See the add wallet right there. You're going to click onto that button there. Once you have clicked on the VESPR wallet, oh, my hand disappeared. Sorry, guys. So we're going to hit the sign button, and then it is going to use your biometrics and do the signature there. All happens very quickly. So press the approve button. And then if for some reason it doesn't actually work, the other way that you can get it to work is you can go in there and find the settings button up at the top and go down and clear your browser data. So you want to scroll down just a little bit there, and you're right here at this clear browser data. And you'll do that. This will clear all of your cache, so only do that if you really need to. Go ahead and press that button, and it's going to start over there for you. So that's all we've got today. This was a quick video. I also implore you to come over and mint some HODL passes. We have passed the 500 mints, so we're also giving HYDR, CTV, World Mobile, SNEC, and Wojak Blue. And as you can see up here, there's all of the things that you can see on the yields. There are different opportunities. Each one of the NFTs does yield, and each one of the yields do stack. So come on over, mint some NFTs, and get involved with our project. Have a great day.